1 month ago, I made a video and said, don't ignore PayPal. At that time, many investors believed PayPal was a dead stock. But today, PayPal has officially reached my first target. Now the big question is this just the beginning of a much bigger rally? Or is a pullback coming before the next move? Let's break down the chart and see what PayPal could do next. A month ago, PayPal was trading around the $47 to $48 range. While many people were bearish, I noticed something different. The market structure was changing. The selling pressure was fading. Buyers were slowly taking control. That's why I said, don't ignore PayPal. Today, the stock has successfully reached the $55 to $56 target zone, proving that bullish momentum was building. Let's look at the current chart. The first thing that stands out is the change of character, CHOCH. This usually signals that the previous downtrend has ended and a new, bullish trend has begun. After that, PayPal made a strong, impulsive move higher. However, the price is now trading inside a premium zone. According to smart money concepts, premium zones are often areas where institutions begin taking profits. That doesn't necessarily mean the trend is over. It simply means volatility could increase. Another important observation is the weak high shown on the chart. A weak high often means there's still liquidity sitting above the current price. Markets frequently move higher to sweep that liquidity before making the next major decision. If buyers stay in control, PayPal could push toward the $56 to $57 area in the short term. Now let's talk about the bullish case. If PayPal can hold above $55 on a daily closing basis, the next upside target becomes $58 to $60. If that resistance breaks, the next medium-term target could be around $64 to $68, where stronger resistance may appear. As long as higher highs and higher lows continue, the overall trend remains bullish. But remember, markets never move in a straight line. If PayPal loses the $54 level, we could see a healthy pullback. The first important support is around our 52. If selling pressure increases, the $49 to $50 zone could become the next major demand area. A pullback wouldn't automatically mean the bullish trend is over. It could simply be a normal correction before the next move higher. If you've been holding PayPal from much lower prices, this could be a good time to consider taking partial profits. If you're planning to buy, don't chase the price out of FOMO. Waiting for confirmation or a healthy pullback may offer a better risk-to-reward opportunity. Remember, risk management is always more important than predicting the market. 1 month ago, I said, don't ignore PayPal. Today, that first target has been achieved. The overall trend still looks bullish, but the stock is now trading in a premium area where profit taking is possible. If support holds, PayPal could continue toward $58 to $60 and potentially $64 to $68 over the medium term. The next few trading sessions will be critical. Now I want to hear from you. What do you think is PayPal's next target? Will it reach $60, or do you expect a pullback first? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this analysis, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. I'll see you in the next one.